served as a judge in Illinois for nearly 5 decades, making her the longest serving judge in the state.
And now Illinois Supreme Court Justice Rita Garman will step down in July. She's been on the court for more than 20 years.
Now, since Illinois justices are elected, I talked to Matt Dietrich with the Illinois State Board of Elections to see how the process of filling Garman's seat will work.
Supreme Court justices are elected to 10-year terms, after which they are subject to a retention vote.
Garman would have been on the ballot for another 10-year term in this year's November election.
If someone were to announce their retirement from the Illinois House and they were already on the primary ballot, then the party leaders in their district would be able to fill a vacancy in nomination and put someone onto the ballot for November.
And I believe you saw that is the last time we saw that with Avery Bourne, who's currently running for lieutenant governor. That's how she was appointed state rep.
I believe that may have been, and it happens occasionally, and I'm sure it's going to probably happen after the primary too. That's more common.
That's the process for a retiring state representative, but the Illinois Supreme Court is different. According to Article 6 of Illinois' Constitution, a person appointed to fill a vacancy less than 60 days prior to the next primary election to nominate judges shall serve until the end of the vacancy is filled at the second general or judicial election following such appointment.
It means that this seat will now be open as a vacant seat in the 2024 election cycle. So what will happen is the Supreme Court will appoint a replacement for Justice Garman. That replacement will serve until a new justice is elected in the November 2024 election.
Garman is a Republican. Currently, there is a Democratic majority on the Illinois Supreme Court. I also spoke with John Jackson with the Paul Simon Public Policy Institute today. He says the upcoming election this November and in 2024 could be interesting when it comes to the court. It's the first time in 50 years the judicial districts have been redrawn. Jackson says that has the potential to allow the court to be flipped to a Republican majority.